That's terrible.
Oh shit, that bridge is not,
That's not gonna make it. The bridge is not gonna fucking make it.
it's right on it. It's like right between the girders, so maybe it's not gonna hit a girder. Oh my god, it's getting worse. Holy shit, the whole ground's on fire. See that? See it down below? Oh,
Are we gonna have to wait?
I don't know, you see the ground underneath it? Somebody just hit it with water. Finally, Jesus, it took them so long. What a difference that water made. Did you see how big those flames were getting? Just stop right there and start spraying it.
How's that bridge gonna make it?